Hi there, my name is Vicky and I'm here with a new series on the Docker. In this Docker series or tutorial, you will learn from the basic to advanced level. This Docker series is further divided into chapters. So if you want, you can follow along step by step in order to get deep knowledge on the Docker. Here are the list of topics which I am going to cover in this series. We'll start with the installation on the Docker on the Linux or Ubuntu machine. Then we will talk about the permission, understanding the architecture of the Docker. After that, we will do demos related to the Docker file, and in the Docker file we are going to cover all the keywords like the copy keyword, add keyword, work dir, environment. These things we are going to cover with the demo. And in the last, I am also going to create a shell script where I am going to delete all the unused containers and images with that script. Now, if you are here for the first time, then do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get notified of the latest videos. Chapter 3 in the Docker series. Earlier in chapter 1 we have seen that how to install a Docker on the Ubuntu or on the Red Hat Linux machine. After that, in the chapter 2 we have seen how to run a container, how to stop a container, how to pull an image from the Docker hub, how to remove that image, and other things. We have also seen that how to work with the tagging and everything. So if you have still not watched those videos, I recommend that you to watch the chapter 1 and the chapter 2 of this Docker series, then this chapter 3. Now till this point we know that how to install a Docker on the machine and how to run a container, but we have not discussed what exactly the container is. So in this video we are going to discuss what exactly the container is and why, the requirement for the container, why container is more popular in the market. So all those things we are going to see in this video. Now let's talk about the Docker first. What exactly the Docker is? Now if we go with the official definition of the Docker, which says Docker is a platform that let you package, deploy and run your application inside a container. Now what that means? Let me explain that thing with an example so that you can understand it better. Here I'm in my EC2 console. Let me log in to one of my machine. So let me log into my Red Hat machine. I already logged into my not already logged in. Let me log in. So I logged into my EC2 machine. Now here let's suppose I need to install Apache web server. So what I'm going to do, sudo yum install httpd -y. So here I have installed the Apache web server. After that, what I need to do is I need to start the service, sudo service httpd start, and after that I need to verify it. So how to verify it? I need to grab the public IP, I need to go to the internet page and let me enter it here. Okay, I'm not able to open this page. Why I'm not able to open this page? Because my machine, this AWS machine, is connected to one of the security group, and inside that security group I have not allowed port number 80. So that is something I need to do. Let me click edit. So see, here is no port number 80. Let me give port number 80 and I can connect it from anywhere. Done. Let me refresh this one. I'm able to open this page. Great. Now let me go to my terminal. Now the next thing which I need to do, I need to check the version of my Apache server. So -v, I can see the version is this. Now I need to install one more version of the Apache on this operating system. Can I do that? No, I cannot do that. So that is the limitation of the host operating system. If I'm trying to do that, it will give me error message like the Apache is already installed. Or what I can do is, if I need a previous version or any other version of the Apache, I need to uninstall this version of the Apache, then I need to install that version. But maximum I can run only one version on this machine, on this host machine. That is the limitation we have in the host environment. Now with the help of the containerization or with the help of the Docker, we can install multiple version of our application. How to do that? We already have Docker installed on this machine. If you don't know how to install, you can go to my previous videos and you can see how to install a Docker on this machine. Let me verify. Yes, Docker is there and my user is able to run all the command related to the Docker. Again, I'm going with the same example for the HTTPD. Now let's suppose I need to install the HTTPD on container. So how I can do that? I can go to the Docker hub. Here I can search for the official Apache image. So this one is the official Apache image, and let me pull it. Docker pull HTTPD. Now it is downloading the latest image for me. Great. Let me scroll down a bit and let me see the supported tags. Now let's suppose I need this one 2.4 as well. Let me install this one as well. At the end I need to give the tag name 2.4. This time it is installing 2.4. Let me go with the command docker images. I have two images. First image is 2.4 and the second image is for the latest. Now I can run my container with both the images. So how to do that? That is, we have already seen in the previous video, but let me show it to you one more time. Docker container run minus itd minus name, and the name is going to be httpd dash latest, and the image I need, that is httpd. Okay, I have done a small mistake here. I need to give the port number as well, so let me give the port number as well, minus p 8080 pd. Let me run. Now it is running docker images. So I have a second image as well, that is 2.4. Let me run a container from that image as well. This time I am going to change the port number to 8081, otherwise it is going to give me a clash message between the ports, and this one is 2.4. Let me go with 2, and also in the last the image name is 2.4. Docker container ls. Now I have two containers running. The first container is running from the image this 2.4 and the second container is running from the latest this. Let me verify this thing on port number 80 and 81. So how I can verify this thing? I need to go to my machine. I need to grab the public IP of my machine. Let me go here, 8080. It says it worked. Great. Now 8081, it says it worked. Great. So I have two images and both are with the different versions. So I have the one version is 2.4 and the other version is latest, right? And inside the Docker environment I can run both the images without any issue. One image, one container is running on this port, second container is running on this port. Docker container ls, I can see my two images are running, right? And from those two images I have two containers running. Now this is something not possible on the host machine. So that is the limitation of the host machine. On the host machine I can run only a single version of a single application, right? So this is what Docker allow me to do that. That is the great advantage of the Docker. The second advantage we have for the Docker is